we're really up close right now because it's a little bit windy today.
For the vlog this week, we thought we'd tell you about our failed weekend plans.
Yeah, we had a lot of grandiose plans this whole week about going out and camping with our friend for her birthday. Friday rolled around and it was predicted to rain for the first time in weeks for the entire weekend long. And then today it wasn't raining, so we're like, man, all right, well, let's get outside. And this is kind of what happened. You're on a sail pad.
We are on a sail pad. Bow thrusters engaged.
How's your headroom in here? It's not bad.
I mean, I can survive walking around like this.
Yeah, this isn't bad at all for you.
Yeah.
This is my dream.
This is awesome.
I'm so excited. That time when we got invited on a sailboat randomly in Yeosu.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes. Best day ever. Rainbow. We're at quite the angle right now. I wasn't really expecting how much the sailboat leans. Oh my god, here we go again! Here we go. That was really exciting. This is like my dream.
This was amazing.
It was really fun.
I'm kind of at a loss for words, if you can't tell. I'm just so happy.
So true. The winds died down enough so we can have a good interview, but we have nothing to say.
Very little to say.
Just speechless.
This parallel parking is a little bit more impressive.
Yes, thank you so much. That was amazing.
Well, that was an unexpected day trip.
Yes. A lot of like events led to that.
Yeah, we were just looking for a walk.
Yeah.
So that was basically it. That's how we went from having no plans and all of our plans we did have being canceled and ruined to having quite possibly the best weekend I've ever had in Korea because of 1 hour on a sailboat.
Yes. The other stuff was nice too. Mara, your birthday.
Still important to us.
Important and
we're
still
looking
fun.
forward to hopefully that working out next weekend.
But this
But if that guy calls us and says, hey, let's go sailing again, we might be sick.
Trying to get a time lapse of this sunset that's happening right now. Simply beautiful. Look at this sky, man. This marina area down by Ungchan, wonderfully beautiful. This is the most peaceful and quiet time that we've ever had in this city. This is great. This could not be any more of a perfect evening in Ungchan. Someone is up on this mountain just having a ball looking at that sunset.
Oh, this is incredible. Day, best sky. Ooh!
So what are we gonna do now?
Let's go get some food. I'm hungry.
Ryan got a little bit of low blood sugar. Sweet.
Too much excitement. I blame too much sailing excitement.
Yeah, your heart just started pumping too much, converted too many calories.
Too happy.
Too happy?
Shouldn't have gotten so happy.
Mazazine? The true test. Kimchi taste test.
That kimchi is good.
Kimchi. Mu. Which is like a pickled radish. Sprouts. What's the word in Korean?
Kongnamul.
Kongnamu?
Namul.
Namul.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Cabbage.
Salad.
With cornflake.
Cornflake. Onion. Fish cake. What is this guy? Cucumber and vinegar?
But frozen.
And water.
Very good.
It's actually really good for your stomach. I drink vinegar water all the time. Oh man, okay, so this one is Ryan's. It's got some red sauce, it's spicy, so just not gonna risk it with my stomach issues I've been having, even though I love spicy food. Just gonna get the no spice today. So this one's mine. Look, it comes with your own little like personal flame underneath. It's like super fancy.
I am feeling much better.
You have a happy plate.
Mm-hmm. And a happy belly.
Feel better?
Much better.
Sometimes we just sit here and think, oh my gosh, what are we going to vlog about this weekend? We have absolutely nothing going on. What's gonna happen? And then something just randomly falls into our laps here in Korea and the vlog just kind of happens.